I Just Ate My Friend by Heidi McKinnon.
I just ate my friend. He was a good friend, but now he's gone. Hello, would you be my friend?
No, you are too big.
Hello, would you be my friend?
No, you are too small.
Hello, would you be my friend?
Oh, you are too scary.
Hello, would you be my friend?
No, you are too slow.
Hello, would you be my friend?
No,
Hello, would you be my... Roar! Roar! Never mind. Goodbye. Goodbye. What if I never find another friend? What if I ate my only friend?
hello. I will be your friend. I just ate my friend. Huh? Bye.
The end.